Are you tired of meal prep and looking for quick keto-friendly solutions? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Jocko Merlk Protein Shake. Jocko Merlk 30G grass-fed protein shakes caught my eye right away, especially with its promise of no added sugar and being keto-friendly. Priced at $44.99 for a pack of 12. If you want a ready-to-drink shake that fuels muscle growth while keeping you in ketosis, this is worth a serious look. Now let's talk features. Each shake packs 30 grams of grass-fed protein and only 180 calories. This is huge because you're getting enough protein to help with muscle recovery without blowing your calorie count. Plus, it's sweetened naturally with monk fruit, so there's no added sugar or weird artificial ingredients. This matters for you specifically because it means you can enjoy a shake without the sugar crash later. Jocko Fuel has sold over 9,000 units in the past month, which just shows how popular this product is. Now some people complained about the taste, saying it wasn't as rich as they expected. Here's the thing though, taste is subjective. If you're looking for a healthy option that actually fits your keto diet, I think the benefits outweigh the taste. This is perfect for you if you need a quick protein boost post-workout or just a meal replacement on the go. Skip this one if you're very particular about flavor, but for the price and nutrition, it's still a solid choice. Now, if the Jocko Merlk's taste concerns you, the next product might actually be a better fit for your taste buds. Product number 2, Koya Protein Shake. The Koya Protein Shake really piqued my interest with its chocolate banana flavor. Even though the price isn't listed, it's known for being a solid option for those on a vegan keto diet. If you want a dairy-free shake that's packed with nutrients, give this one a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Koya is made from a blend of plant proteins, which means you're getting a variety of amino acids. This is crucial on a keto diet where protein sources are limited. Plus, it's gluten-free, soy-free, and even kosher, appealing to a lot of dietary restrictions. While I don't have exact sales data, it's been quite popular with over 4,000 units sold recently, which shows people are loving it. Now, some users mention that it can be a bit grainy. But honestly, if you're looking for nutrition over texture, you might find this shake more than satisfying. This is perfect for you if you're vegan or have dairy allergies and still want a nutritious meal replacement. Skip this if you absolutely need a creamy texture, but for health-conscious eaters, it's worth a try. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for joint support. Product number 3, Ancient Nutrition Bone Broth Protein. Next up, we have Ancient Nutrition's grass-fed bone broth protein powder. With 20 servings and a focus on gut health, this one caught my attention. It's a bit pricier since it's a powder, but if you want nutritional benefits beyond just protein, this is worth a look. What stands out is that it delivers 20 grams of protein per serving along with collagen and glucosamine. This is incredible if you're looking for support for your joints and skin while keeping up with your keto goals. Plus, it's made from cage-free grass-fed sources, meaning you're investing in high-quality ingredients. Customers have been buying this heavily with 2,000 plus units in just the last month. Now, some folks mentioned the flavor could be a bit off when mixed with just water. Here's the thing though, it's actually designed to be versatile. You can mix it into smoothies or even soups, so you have options. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a meal replacement that also supports your overall wellness. Skip this if you need something quick to drink on the go, but if you're willing to mix things up, it's a powerhouse. If you liked the joint support angle of the last product, you'll want to hear about the next one, which has some exciting features. Product number 4, UpNourish Vegan Protein Powder. UpNourish's chocolate vegan protein powder is next, and it really impressed me with its inclusion of 54 superfoods. While the price isn't available, it's popular among those looking for a delicious meal replacement. If you want something that's not just protein but also packed with nutrients, this is worth considering. What I love is that it has 21 grams of plant-based protein per serving while being low in carbs, making it perfect for keto. Plus, it includes 1.5 billion CFUs of probiotics for gut health. This is essential if you're looking to maintain digestive health on a low-carb diet. The fact that it has over 1,000 sales recently shows that people are really enjoying this shake. Now, some users did mention it can be a bit clumpy if not mixed well. But honestly, with a good blender, you can whip this up and it tastes like a treat rather than a chore. This is perfect for you if you want a nutrient-dense shake that supports a plant-based ketogenic diet. Skip this if you're looking for a quick grab-and-go option, but it's a great choice for those who enjoy a bit of blending. Now, if you're into collagen and want some added benefits, the next product is going to catch your attention. Product number 5, Superior Source Keto Collagen. Last but not least, we have the Superior Source Keto Collagen with MCT oil. This caught my eye because it's designed to support skin, hair, and joint health. Though pricing isn't specified, it's a great option for those looking for something a little different in the keto realm. If you want a shake that not only fills you up but also beautifies, this is worth a look. It offers a solid amount of collagen combined with MCT oil, giving you sustained energy while boosting your protein intake. This really matters because on a keto diet, energy can sometimes lag and the MCT oil helps maintain that. It's also dairy-free, making it suitable for those with lactose intolerance. The sales figures are impressive, with 1,000 plus units sold recently. Now, some people found that it doesn't dissolve as well in cold drinks, which can be a bummer. Here's the thing though, it mixes well in warm beverages, so you can create a rich hot chocolate experience instead. This is perfect for you if you're looking to enhance your beauty routine while maintaining a keto diet. Skip this one if you need a quick cold drink, but it's definitely worth considering for its unique benefits. To recap, we've explored 5 great keto meal replacement shakes: Jocko Merlk for post-workout recovery, Koya for vegan nutrition, Ancient Nutrition for joint support, Upnourish for nutrient density, and Superior Source for beauty and energy. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with Jocko Merlk because of its convenience and solid protein content. I'd avoid Koya if you're sensitive to texture, as some people found it grainy. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.